I've had and we talked about this. I think I put it in my assessment sheet. I had my ankles hurt, my hamstrings hurt, my elbows hurt, my shoulders they were quite bad. Obviously my back, and I had some kind of knee pain sometimes in top of my knees. Uh, I was bad. I was bad. Even when I get out of bed, you know, got out of bed when I walked, my feet hurt. Everything was hurting on my end. So now, 12 weeks later, uh, I don't have ankle pains. I don't have foot pain. I don't have knee pain. I don't have hamstring pains. I don't have shoulder pain. I don't have neck pain. I don't have, the only trigger that we work is the back. It's the only thing that I have right now. And, and actually, it's the only thing that I've done. I've been training for, I don't know, 30 years. And I've done every type of, band movements and whatever. And it's been 30 years with the same pains and the same, ache. And it's normal, and you think it's normal. It's like, oh, well, it's normal. And now that I don't have it, it feels good because I can train like easily, and this is quite good, man. This is very good. Running it feels good, and like I told you, like you glide now, and like you can move very fairly easy, boom, 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 and you go. Uh, yeah, I would love for me to do this, again, like a second cycle
Mm-hmm.
to see, how much can I progress, and it's quite a journey. It's good,
Yeah.
man. This is very good. I
Right.
would love to do this maybe 3 or 4 cycles just to see how much strong I can get in a year.
Yeah.
Uh, in a year would be amazing. Yeah, and yeah, man, not feeling pain. It's quite, people think it's quite impossible, but I don't feel any pain at all.
Right. What
Yeah.
what type of training or therapy did you have before coming to
Oh,
me?
so I've done everything. I've done manual therapy. I've go chiropractors. Those don't help at all. Uh, I've done how do you call that? FRP or something like that, like the injections. I've done a lot of injections on my back.
PRP?
I've done PRP. Yeah, yeah, PRP. I've done like anti-inflammatory, injections. I've done and actually every time I do that, I'd go to the physio physiatrist or whatever it's called from my end, and I have to inject my shoulders. I have to inject my knuckles, obviously from fighting, all a long time. My elbows, I've injected it. My back, I've injected it. My knees have injected it.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. My ankles, I've injected it. My
Wow.
back, obviously, from back, and I go from all the backs. And I've done this actually for quite some time. And every time it hurts, like, and I cannot deal with it anymore. I go to the doctor again, and oh yeah, yeah, don't worry, man, come boom, and they inject it, and you feel good for a month, and starts hurting again, and it hurts again. So that's what I thought. I got to get this from the root, like from the inside out. There's something missing, and this is the thing that's been missing. We're doing learn patterns for bodybuilding and movement and stuff like that nobody knows. You know, if it works or not. Like we just mimicking whatever. Nobody has gone through this extensive period of learning, and this is the fascia, the integrity and stuff like that. So we just repeating the same movements, getting the same old injuries, and living with pain is nothing. I cannot see myself doing that for years, man. Like I have to eradicate this. So that's why I decided to whatever. And when you told me stop training any weight, I actually took it very seriously. I haven't done any weights for like what 3 months now.
Hmm.
I haven't done any weight at all. I just done push ups and pull ups and and I've not done it like every, weight, training session. I've done it for, I don't know, once in a week, 2 times in a week maybe, and that's it. And I don't train. I do this, and this is a workout. This is a workout. I've
Yeah.
actually gotten leaner. But it's quite, you know, weird because I do my things with the nutrition and stuff like that. But I've actually gotten leaner. I actually feel smoother, and when I hit the head bag or hit the mitts and stuff like that, I feel actually more stronger now than when I felt, with 20 pounds on, for some reason. Because I used to be scared of throwing like, hooks and stuff like that because my shoulders, hurt, and next day would be, hurting all day, and for a week like that. So I couldn't throw, actually I couldn't throw, very hard hooks because they will hurt. But now when I do it like and I hit the heavy bags or I hit the mitts, you could feel that you're stronger now. Like, it's weird, man. It's very hard to explain, but it's like it's like a sincerity. It's like a connected, you know, uh, everything. Everything's connected now. You can feel. And even when I told you like I was running, why would my abs would be, like on fire? When I told you on fire, it's like from top of the food chain, like, and I was burning up. Damn, like, this is, and you could feel, the gliding, and actually it becomes fun for people that love training. It becomes fun because when you're running and you feel something like that and you want to push the limit, it's like, damn, I feel good. Like I want to run faster, and yeah. So
Yeah.
it's been very good, man. It's been very good. Now I want my wife, do it, and I have a couple of people that just ask me, and it's like, you should do this first, and then whatever you want to do, you could do it. So yeah, this is quite
Great.
a journey, man. Yeah,
Great. I mean, you made a lot of progress, so we're just gonna keep on making progress because once your core becomes stronger, because right now on that one exercise, you start to fatigue around 1 minute. So once we get that stronger, you can do 2 minutes like nothing. Your core is strong. You sit in the car and you drive, the core will take over. Then your lower back can rest. There is no
yeah.
back issue.
Yeah, I'll do what I'll do is the things that have worked a lot for me, the hip swing and the single leg hops, the hops with the side to side, those, and another thing that helps me a lot with the shoulder,
The wall bounce.
the wall bounce. Those, I feel it, man, like in the back of my like shoulders, like the shoulder blades. I feel it all the way up there.
Yeah.
It's quite, weird because you're just doing, wall bouncing in the wall. Like it's nothing, very hard to do. No machines, no,
Nope.
whatever bands and everything. And I feel it like all the way up back here. It, you feel everything, like everything's stronger. And like my, my hands are stronger. My knuckles are stronger. It's good, man. This is very good.